Now we will discuss retirement of partners. Retirement is also a simple thing if you know the admission of partnership. So admission in retirement we will only make three accounts, that is revaluation account and partners capital account and balance sheet. Okay, revaluation account is same, balance sheet is also same, but only thing is in partners capital account only we will learn new things. Okay, so when a partner is retiring, when a goodwill amount is given in the question, what we need to do, that goodwill amount means, for example, A, B, C are partners ma. Wait 1 minute. For example, A, B, C are partners sharing profits and losses in the equal share they are sharing. Okay, so equally they are sharing. So what happened means A decided to retire from the company. So if in question goodwill amount is there, means goodwill amount is 10,000. So it is this 10,000, what we need to do means, who is retiring? A is retiring. What is the A's share? 10,000 into 1 divided by 3. A's share is 3,333. This share, what we need to do means, this amount we need to share this to old partners. This amount only we need to share to old partners. That is the thing you are learning in this retirement. Rather than this, all is equal. Okay, so first we need to find the amount, that how much is retired person is receiving. Then after that, what is we need to do, if that in credit partners capital account, retired persons will pay that goodwill to existing partners. Retired partner is paying to existing partners and old partners are receiving, means we need to put that amount on debit side. So these are all capital adjustments. Now we will discuss about the question so that it will be useful to you. Okay, so this question was asked in 2022 March 2022 question paper. What they have asked: Nikita, Ravi and Teja were carrying on business in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. So Nikita, Ravi and Teja ఏంటంటే old partners sharing their profit and loss in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. The following are the balance sheet. This is the balance sheet. Okay. So after that, what they have given, Ravi is retired from the organization, it seems. So Ravi is retiring. Ravi's share is 2. Okay. So Ravi's share is 2. Ravi is retiring. Here it is all we need to do that in revaluation account. In third point, goodwill of the firm valued at 36,000. Goodwill amount they have given. What we need to do means, we will tell in the we will discuss while doing the answer. And 20,000 to be paid to Ravi immediately. Ravi is retiring. The remaining partners who is there, Nikita and Teja, paying 20,000 to Ravi. Immediately they are paying to 20,000. Okay. So prepare revaluation account and capitalization, capital accounts and balance sheet. To prepare revaluation account, what it will come? Assets increases and decreases, what that will become. Okay. Buildings appreciated. Appreciated means we need to give it in a credit side. So buy buildings. So how much it is appreciating? Direct amount they have given 28,000. So 28,000 here I am writing. Okay. And the next thing is provision for bad debts 10% on debtors. Asset value is decreasing. Debtors value is 52,000. So asset is decreasing means debit side. To provision for bad debts. So 52,000 into 10%. How much it will get? I think 5,200, right? 52,000 into 10%, 5,200. That's it. Remaining anything is else? Nothing is there. Okay. So just we need to do the total. Debit is showing 5,200. Credit is showing 28,000 only. 28 is the highest. So we are adding, equalizing the both. And in 28,000, How much by deducting 5,200 means how much? 22,800 is the to revaluation account profit. Revaluation account profit means just we need to deduct 5,200 from 28,000. We will get 22,800. This amount we need to share to partners, right? We need to share to partners, no? So that's the reason. Same thing you will have, ma. Nothing to worry about it. Okay. So the same thing only you will learn here. Just one small adjustment it will be there. Okay. So the thing is, how much is the answer? 22,800. Now we will do partners capital account. By balance brought down. What is the capital accounts amounts? 60,000, 40,000, 40,000. Here I am writing. Sorry, 1 minute. 60,000, 40,000. Here also 40,000. Next, revaluation account profit we need to share to old partners. No, revaluation old partners ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 1. So 22,800 into 3 divided by 6, 22,800 into 2 divided by 6 into 1 divided by 6. Just we need to do that. 22,800 into 3 divided by 6. How much it is? 11,400. What is that? By revaluation account profit. Next, 22,800 into 2 divided by 6. 7,600. Next, 22,800 into 1 divided by 6. That is 3,800. Over. Next, in the question what they have given, goodwill amount is 36,000. Okay students, here you listen carefully so that you will get to know. Goodwill amount is 36,000. Here I am writing. Okay, 36,000. So this 36,000 we need to share to the retired person. How much is the sharing ratio? 3 is to 2 is to 1. Ravi's ratio is 2 by 6, right? 36,000 into 2 divided by 6 means how much we will get that goodwill amount? 36,000 into 2 divided by 6. 12,000. This 12,000 we need to share to the existing partners, right? Ravi is sharing his goodwill to remaining partners. So remaining partners is evaru Nikita and Teja. Nikita's like 12,000 into, so 3 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1 is the ratio. Now Ravi is not there. No, 3 is to 1. 3 by 4, 1 by 4. So 12,000 into 3 by 4, 12,000 into 1 by 4. First Ravi is sharing his 12,000. No. So where we need to do where we need to enter that in the partner's capital account means 12,000 we need to enter it, ma. How we need to enter? Ravi is transferring to Nikita and Ravi is transferring to Teja also. So here I am writing. By Nikita goodwill account. So Ravi is sharing 9,000 of Nikita's share. So here I am putting here. Okay. So next, he is sharing to Teja also. No, Teja goodwill account. How much he is sharing? 3,000 is he sharing. Total 12,000 he is sharing, ma. So here he is sharing means here they are receiving, no. So here in debit side Nikita and Teja are receiving his goodwill account. So to what we should write here, to goodwill account. How much Nikita is receiving? 9,000. How much Teja is receiving? 3,000. That's it. Okay. Next, in the question, this is over. This point is also over. 20,000 paid immediately to Ravi. How much we are paying to Ravi? 20,000 to Ravi account. How much we are paying? 20,000 Ravi is receiving. Over students. That's it. We are paying, Ravi is receiving. That's a debit side. Okay, just we need to total it. Okay, so here Nikita is 60,000 plus 11,400. 71,400 is the highest answer. So I am putting this on both, minus 9,000. 9,000 here we are having, no, 9,000 we are deducting. So that is 62,400. So what is this 62,400? To carry down balance, no, 62,400 to balance carry down. Okay, next Ravi's credit amount is 40,000 less 7,600 plus 9,000 plus 3,000. Total is 59,600. In that we are paying 20,000 immediately. No, here we have paid 20,000. So I am deducting. More, how much is there? 59,600 minus 20,000. More, how much is there? 39,600. We should, what they have said here, remaining balance should be treated as a loan account. So here we are writing Ravi's loan account. How much it is? 39,600. Okay, so 40, here I am adding the Teja also, 43,800. 43,800 minus 3,000, so it means 40,800, right? So that is the carried on balance. Over, students, that's it. So what we need to do, just we need to balance that amount in the balance sheet. Creditors is 2,360. Here I am writing creditors 2,360. And next what we are having in liability sides, bills payable. Bills payable. How much is bills payable? 52,000. Okay, students. Next, capitals. Existing partners is only Nikita and Teja. Nikita and Teja amount is how much? Here 62,400, 40,800. 62,400, 40,800. We have paid to Ravi, no? That is a liability only, no? So Ravi account, how much we have paid? 20,000. So remaining amount also we have carried as an Ravi's loan account, no? So it is also a liability. How much we have carried? 39,600. That is also a future liability of that, no ma? So that's why I'm saying this is the liability side. Now in asset side, cash is there. Cash is 3,600. I'm putting that cash amount here. Cash 3,600. And next what we are having, debtors. Debtors we are having adjustment, no? So what is the adjustment? Minus provision for bad debts. So what is the debtors value is 52,000, and 10% of that means 5,200. After deducting 5,200 from 52,000 means what will be the answer? 46,800 will be the answer in the output column. Stock is not at all having any like adjustment. So here I am writing stock. Next, furniture. Furniture also we are not having any adjustment. So I am just adding that value here. Furniture 12,000. And the next is buildings. Buildings is appreciated by 28,000. No, increase it to 28,000 plus 28,000. What is the buildings value? 80,000. 80,000 plus 28,000. 1,08,000. So this is the thing you need to do in the balance sheet, and assets and liabilities should be get tallied ma. So this is the answer. So just we will do here 1,08,000 plus 12,000 plus 46,760 plus 46,800 plus 36, 3,600. That is 2,17,160 is the answer. Here also whether we are getting or not we will see. 2360 plus 52,000 plus 62,400 plus 40,800 plus 20,000 plus 39,600. Sorry, 39,600. 2,17,160 we are getting now. So like this we need to do it. Okay. So this is all about the video, students. So in this video we have learned admission of a partner and retirement of a partner. If you are doing any calculations mistakes means only 2 to 3 marks only will be get deducted. So nothing to worry about that. So don't worry about that. Just concentrate on whatever I have discussed.